Hello and welcome to Learning and Technology. My name's Frank and I'm glad that you're here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send an email to everyone who's a member of a Microsoft team. Now, in many cases when I create a team, I'm going to use a group, a distribution group that's part of my Exchange server in order to populate that team with members. But I might invite guests to that team, or I may have members that are not part of a specific distribution group in Exchange. So how can I just say I want to send an email to everybody who's a member of this team? It's really easy, and I'm going to show you how. I'm logged into my team. Now, you do have to be an instructor or a teacher in order to do this. If you go into the top ellipse here and you go into get an email address, that will give you an email address for this team. You can then copy that email address, and then you can go into your email program, whatever it might be, and use that as the distribution list for the team. If you try to go in as a student, it'll throw an error message at you and say that you don't have access. So that prevents students from going and sending a bunch of emails to everybody, but as an instructor, you can contact your team that way. So now all I have to do is open up my email application. I won't do that here, but paste it in and send an email to all my students. It's that simple. Hopefully that was useful and you found a great way to communicate with people using email. Team notifications are a great way to also communicate with people, but sometimes people don't have Teams running on their mobile device, and we're all used to using email for a lot of communication now. So this is a great way to get your team members' attention. If this video was useful to you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like to get more videos, and share with colleagues if you think they'd benefit from some of the training here as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Here's some more of my videos for you to take a look at. Thank you.